thought about mastering the art of global business? Hi, I'm Eliara Eldor, your global business communicator. Welcome to Eliara Global Solutions. We're here to break down professional business English, international marketing, work ethics, and more, helping you overcome barriers and excel in the global arena. Geared toward aspiring leaders, entrepreneurs, professionals, our channel is your getaway to becoming an exemplary professional. Explore topics in business English, international marketing, work ethic, and management practices. Gain multicultural insights, strategic business tips, and access to interviews with industry leaders. Subscribe to Eliara Global Solutions, grounded in unwavering ethics.